Okay, this view is just too beautiful to not stop here and share with you. As you can see, there are multiple streams which are coming from up in the mountains, and I'm actually continuing with my hike as we speak, but at the same time I know that it's thin air, and especially at this higher elevation, hiking in itself is pretty intense, and I'm just trying to take some breaks and not lose an opportunity to have a little break and enjoy the scenery. As you can see here, the little snowbank here on this hike, but this is just amazing. Pretty soon all this snow will melt away and we'll have the hot weather in the Rockies, which happens usually after mid-July. So we still have a few days, or a few weeks actually, to enjoy this beautiful, beautiful weather, hikes, outdoors, and the solitude. I normally do hike solo and enjoy, and as you can hear in the background, a lot of birds are chirping and they are enjoying this weather just as much as I am. Beautiful day. It's just amazing to be out and enjoying this beautiful, beautiful weather and the hike.